Hi friends, it's Marcello's mommy. Let's learn about the farm. First, let's take a look at some things, people, and animals you can find on a farm. Come on, let's go. Barn. Tractor. Farmer. Hay bale. Dog. Cow. Horse. Sheep. Pig. Chicken. Let's learn animal noises with this puzzle.
Yippee!
Moo moo went the black and white cow one day. Moo moo went the black and white cow. Moo moo went the black and white cow one day, and they all went moo moo moo. Oink oink went the little pink pig one day. Oink oink went the little pink pig. Oink oink went the little pink pig one day, and they all went oink oink oink. Neigh neigh went the little brown horse one day. Neigh neigh went the little brown horse. Neigh neigh went the little brown horse one day, and they all went neigh neigh neigh. Quack quack went the little mama duck one day. Quack quack went the little mama duck. Quack quack went the little mama duck one day, and they all went quack quack quack. Ba ba went the little white sheep one day. Ba ba went the little white sheep. Ba ba went the little white sheep one day, and they all went ba ba ba. Ma ma went the little gray goat one day. Ma ma went the little gray goat. Ma ma went the little gray goat one day, and they all went ma ma ma. Buck buck went the little black hen one day. Buck buck went the little black hen. Buck buck went the little black hen one day, and they all went buck buck buck. And they all go to sleep in the big red barn at night. In the big red barn. And they all go to sleep in the big red barn at night. And they all go zzz, zzz, zzz.
Goodbye.